welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly do a little video of my top 3 Jujube bags, and I have them lined up here for you guys today. This is a video idea that we came up with a couple of my favorite PL friends, my Pink Lady friends. So right here I have my top 3 bags for you guys. It was a really hard choice for me personally because I feel like with Jujube, there's not just one bag for everything. I feel like you kind of have to have them all, and that's almost what is so much fun about them too. The BFF, this was my first BFF, and it's in the DSS print. Now I know this is not a video about prints or anything like that, but the style of the bag was my first BFF, and all I can say is that it's actually one of my favorite bags. It packs really, really well. I packed for 2 kids. My daughter's going to be 3 soon, so she's potty trained, and then my son is cloth diapered, so I find the BFF is the best in terms of space and internal organization. And I've done packing videos on most of these already, so I'm not going to really dig into my bag and go through all that. Plus, I didn't really have time to prepare for that kind of thing, so I just wanted to jump on and quickly show you guys just what my top 3 bags are, the ones that I feel like I reach for the most. And the great thing about the Be Supplied is, if you guys didn't know, one of these pockets is a pump pocket, but I use that pocket for just about anything. You could put diapers in there, you could put toys, you could put food. I just love it, and it's just such a nice bowling bag style bag. I love the look, I love the drop on the strap. I can't say enough good things about that bag, it's the best. And right here in the center, I have probably my most versatile bag. I feel like I can wear this bag all the time. Most of the time, you'll see me in like flip-flops or sneakers. Like, I'm dressed for something like sporty and comfort. So I feel like with that, this bag is probably the go-to bag. I feel like it looks really good with black or other bright colors. And I like how it looks with other brand names like Lululemon or like Nike or Adidas, that kind of thing. So I actually have my bag on a custom strap, and this is a Lululemon strap. You probably would have seen a video I posted about how to swap out your Hobobe strap. So this looks really nice with like a nice monochromatic brand name. In this case, Lululemon. So I really like the Hobobe. It packs really nicely. It's something I can pack for, that's just my son in the background. I'm trying to do this quickly. My daughter is out with her dad, so I have a little bit of somewhat quiet going on right now. So as I was saying about the Hobobe, it's just such an easy to pack bag, and it's something simple that you can use for your day-to-day. It doesn't have to be like a big old bulky bag. I'm not saying that these other ones are. I feel like both of them are very streamlined, and they can be minimalistic on the inside. It all depends on how you pack. But for me, prints are a big deal too. But not going to go too much into prints today, but these are also probably some of my favorite prints. In terms of the bags, I've done, from what I know and remember, I've done packing videos, I think on both of these two, because they're like probably like my most used bags. I have not had a chance to do a packing video on my Be Supplied, but I would definitely be putting that one on my priority list of things to do, along with 100 other things. But this is probably my most favorite bag. Like I said, it's very classy. I love the pump pocket. I'm just going to try to show you guys. And I'm working with one hand here, which I know is a no-no, but I couldn't figure out where to put my tripod, so this is what's gonna work. Let me see if I can put my tripod down. So I just wanted to show you guys a little inside look at the Be Supplied. I'm just gonna lift it like that so you guys can get a good look. This is the pump pocket. This is just a big old pocket there. It gives you a whole lot of room to play around with things. You've also got a nice zipper in the back, a really big zipper. There's a big pocket in there, and I mean, I feel like this is enough space for me and my 2 kids, but some people might find that that's not enough room. So you can always collapse that pocket like that. And then you have a ton of room in there for about everything if you just wanted to, you know, pouch pack and have everything, you know, floating around in there. Hey, don't touch. Don't touch. No. No. Just trying to get into the pocket here. Sorry, guys. Hey, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can lower this now a little bit. Yes. So this is the pocket that I was talking to you about, and I'm really focusing on this because I feel like this is probably the best feature on the Be Supplied, aside from the gorgeous bag shape that it has. But look at that pocket. Like, you could fit, I could fit a fuel cell in here, a pair of shoes, or 2 sippy cups. Actually, I've been able to fit up to 3 sippy cups and a snack tower in here, so it's really, really versatile. So the other pocket that I want to show you guys is the other side pocket that it has, and I also love this pocket a whole lot as well, because of the mesh. Oops. Puppy, come over here. Okay, Mommy's gonna be with you in just a second, okay? I'm now holding my son and trying to get through this video. So I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit short, but as I was saying, this is probably like one of my favorite features of this bag as well, is the other side pocket, which has these really nice mesh little pockets inside of it. It makes it perfect for mommy organization. You could have, like, you know, lotion in here, your shades, your phone, keys. So all around, just probably one of my favorite bags. Definitely, if you love Jujube and don't have a Be Supplied, I would really recommend it. It's probably, like I said, one of my most favorite bags. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but it really is. It's just gorgeous. Can you stop swatting the phone, mister? Stop doing that. It's just gorgeous, and that concludes this video because someone just wants all of my attention right now. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been great, and I hope that you guys liked this video. It was just a little update on my favorite bags, and I will be posting another video very soon, but feel free to leave me a message in the comments or shoot me a message on Instagram if you guys follow me. My name is momming_in_style. This guy's just going crazy. And you guys will see most of my posts there, my favorite bags and how I use them on my day-to-day, as well as pictures of these little guys, oops, as well. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.